Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set Quiet Meadow, as well as the Country Floral Lane, because I'm going to make a Valentine's Day card. I want to make mention here that I still have the Quiet Meadow as an online class on my blog. And if you wanted to head there, you can get the Quiet Meadow with the dies for 20% off, because that's the free gift. 20% off something, you guys. All right, so I am stamping with, what color was that? Sweet Sorbet, I believe. And I stamped the word love. That is in the stamp set. It is lovely. The stamp set is lovely, you guys. It also has these splotches. So I am inking up with mint macaron, I believe. And I stamped off just to try to see where I wanted my splatters to go. And I decided that I was going to do a generational. So stamp off and then stamp on. And that is my first rectangle. So I am using the stitched rectangles. There are 13 dies in the stitched rectangle dies. And seriously, you guys, if you don't have this framelit dies, you may want to get it. All right, I used the smallest one, and then the second from the inside, and then the third from the inside. So as you can see here, I am putting my heart that I fussy cut out of the Country Floral Lane. Somebody asked me, what scissors did I use to cut all the hearts out? And I used my regular Stampin' Up paper snips, you guys. So this little piece of white ribbon comes from, I think it's a grouping of ribbon in the annual catalog, and it comes in a couple of different shades of twine. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but I will look it up. I didn't want to, yes, it's called Baker's Twine Essentials Pack, and it comes with crumb cake, white, black, gray granite, and very vanilla. And that is seriously an essential pack that everybody would like to use. And it is, I thought it was perfect for the little heart. And I used a glue dot to asphyxiate that. Affix it. I know it's not asphyxiate. I put dimensionals on the back of my stitch rectangle. And then here comes the second and third stitch rectangle. So like I said, there's one stitch rectangle in between each. So, and I just adhered them with dimensional adhesive, and I ended up, there was 3, I think, and then I ended up adhering everything to dimensionals to the, and I'm trying to look for my card. Where did I put it? You know, I get so organized, I organized it away. Don't you hate that? So I am feeling a little bit better, you guys, but I still am slightly under the weather. So hopefully it will be gone in no time. My lovely sinus infection. All right, so you can see what I did here, you guys. I ended up cutting out a whole bunch of the bits and pieces from the Country Floral Lane Designer Series paper. It is a lovely paper. I recommend it. I'm not very much into Valentine's Days. That's the reason why I didn't necessarily get a full-on stamp set dedicated to the Valentines. However, I may do, and I also just cut lots of little hearts out of my paper. So I have lots. So there might be another card with all these little bits and bobs. Okay, I'm using my Take Your Pick tool, and I am adhering everything with mini glue dots. And I just want to say, you guys, tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm doing a live. You can catch me live at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that will be on my Facebook page and here on YouTube. So if you like to watch me live, we're going to go through the catalog. I'm going to give you my top 10 and likes out of the catalog, and we'll see some hidden gems as well. And I think that's pretty much it. You guys know what's going to happen in the card. So you know that you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section on my blog. So those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.